Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a fantastic and super cool t-shirt design. So this is fantastic. So start from the beginning. So I'm on a little bit here. Oh, I need a little bit smaller here and keep the camera side. You see the right side all the things from collected from the Google. So you know the Google is a master. Everything you can search and you can get just a few seconds. So this is number attack. This first of all I need to go to the rectangle tool and keep here like that and need to fill the black color and I need to go to the here blend segment tool and go here straight by pressing shift key and need to the upper side and I need a little bit the white color a little bit bigger and need to copy here a little bit, yes, and need to copy all the things by pressing D key and I need to select this one a little bit, move to the right side. Yeah, it's nice. So I need to select this one and go to the object and expand all the things and straight here. And now I need to select all the things, go to the shapeability tool and cut all the things, unnecessary things. I need to cut all the things and go to the little bit bigger for just unnecessary things. Clear, clear this one, clear. Yeah, I need to clear here. Just a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Yes, I think done. Now select all the things. Go to the component path and release component path because I need to change the color. And you see the separated part by part. You can't do anything with the part. So I need to go to the color. First of all, I need to color again. Same color. Go to the here and go here and I need to the that one. So this done. Good. These are all. And now just I need which one? I need to go here. I need like that and now one. Just group all the things by pressing Alt G. Yes, done. I need now just to go here and I come to the bring to the front side, go here, arrange, bring front side, and keep here all the things. Go straight and a little bit here, bigger, like that. Okay, that's fine. And I need here also again, bring to the front side. Okay, that's already done. Okay, I need a little bit here, keep here the things. Okay, I need also this one. Go come to the bring the front side and a little bit bigger. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, that's fine. The three should be upper side. Go here, little bit. Okay, so that's fine. And go through here, and I think a little bit bigger. Yes, I need also bring the front side. Yes, that's fine. So like that, or a little bit here. Just a little bit, a little bit. Okay, I think that's fine. Just select and go to the shape builder tool, and by pressing Alt key, add all the things. Yes, you see, all done. So fantastic then. Now I need all the things, all things group. I need to group all the things. It will be more better. So I need also here a little bit smaller. So I need smaller here and keep here. I need the t-shirt right now because I'm putting here, and I need to bring it to the front side. This previous I have done. Keep this here. I think that's fine. Yes, that's fine. So if it's confused about this middle side or not, I check this one and I go through here. You see, this is a fantastic design. What I wanted, I need to delete one of things, and I think a little bit bigger. It will be more compatible. Yeah, I think that's fine. So this is a fantastic design. So I'm gonna talk. Thanks to watching.